There's some seasoning you can use. I stuck to salt and pepper, kept it real simple, okay? You always want to under season rather than over season because you can always add it at the end. All right, make sure you mix it up so everything's seasoned accordingly. All right, turn on the pan. After that, you're going to spray with some canola oil. I don't use oil because that's more like calories and fat. You add the chicken. Make sure no chicken's overlapping so it cooks evenly, all right? Continuously check it because, you know, everything cooks differently. Once it's a little bit golden, you're allowed to flip it. Do make sure you're checking the inside of the chicken, okay? Because not all chicken is going to cook at the same time. You see right here, that one's a little bit pink. Means it's not done. I got to wait a little longer. Now I'm cleaning the shrimp. I love Old Bay, so I Old Bayed it up. You know, just Old Bay and some pepper. Mix it up. That's all. All right. I put it in the pan. Let it cook for a little bit. And then I add some garlic Alfredo pasta sauce. Mix it all up. Yep. Get all those juices flowing. Then 10 minutes is good and you're all done.